I'm José Faias, the Academic Director of the International MSc in Finance. This program is a pre-experience program at Católica-Lisbon designed for students who desire to pursue an international career related to finance. The curriculum blends theory and practice with a hands-on approach designed by top professors and industry experts. This is a general and flexible program with specific courses such as international finance and program requisites such as international requisite, internship requisite, and a third language requisite. The program fosters the creation of strong professional and personal connections with peers and industry experts from all over the world. There are immense opportunities of interaction in classroom since class size is small, but also outside of classroom through career-related events. There are applied projects in most of the courses using not only refinitive data, but also other data sources available for our students. The current pool of students extends to over 20 different countries. The program also prepares students for the CFA accreditation and Microsoft Excel certification. We also offer a double degree and an exchange semester in our partner schools worldwide. The students will have the chance to leverage their knowledge through our diverse list of dissertation workshops at the end of the program. With the help of our Career and Talent Office, we place students in an international setting in different geographical locations and industry positions. Sounds good? Come and join us.